Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn the easiest way to draw a chameleon. So let's get started. So we'll be starting with drawing a horizontal line. Just like this. So we'll be dividing this body into two parts. Take the center here and shift it slightly towards the second end here and draw a straight line just like this. We'll slightly extend this one. After that, draw a curve joining this point and this point. Just like this, smoothly. So this becomes the head of the chameleon. After that, from this point, we'll draw a semicircle like this to this point. Just like that. After that, we'll be drawing his eyes, a big circle here, and then a small circle inside. Make sure you keep a gap here. After this, we'll draw his legs. One here and second one here. Now we'll make his tail. Draw a big curve from this point, end of this body. Just like this, and from here make a comeback just parallel to that line like this. Now I'll make his tongue, as the chameleon has the long tongue, so we'll be drawing his tongue like this and then a spiral inside, right? After that, we'll draw the branches of the tree. So we will make just two horizontal lines here. The first one is this, after that this, and we'll extend. Make sure you don't overlap his legs, as his legs will be visible above the branch. And we'll now draw the second horizontal line. Shouldn't be the perfect one, as the branch is not so straight. We'll extend from this point, take their point and just extend slightly outward. From this point, we'll extend here too. We'll divide his body into some parts so that we can color him just like a rainbow. As chameleon has different colors, he adapts in different environment. We'll roughly divide his body into some parts. And we'll do the same with the tail. Just roughly divide his tail also into different parts. just like that. Let's make some leaves on the branches. So extend a straight line here, and from this just two curves from here and just like that. We'll make one more leaf from here. Just draw a straight line, then point two points here. The one is here and one is here, and join them with a curve. This becomes leaf. Let's start coloring it. So we'll be starting with his head with the light green, and we'll be coloring just straight lines. Just make one straight line and then keep following it, so it gives a nice texture and looks evenly throughout. Just keep following the above line. Just like that. And the left out, you can cover it like this. So we'll keep drawing the straight lines one after another. And you can see that it gives good texture. Just like that. We have finished coloring his head. So we'll start with his body. You can take any random colors here. So I'll be taking this one for the first part. We'll be coloring straight line here. In the head we had came with the horizontal, and here we'll start with the vertical, as it gives a smooth texture, you can see. Similarly, I will be picking next color. I am picking red one. Just start with one horizontal line and keep following that line. Smooth and steady. Next one, I'm taking the orange. Just keep following the previous line. After that I am picking yellow. You can take any random colors here. Just like that. Finally, the last one. I'm taking light blue. Follow his legs, so we'll be coloring his legs also. You can do in any way, like I did here vertically. I will be showing you horizontally. Just if you start in any direction, keep following that direction only. That gives a good texture. So let's color the leaf also. The smaller one too. Just like that. Now the tail. Take any random colors as you like. Finally, we will be coloring the branch with that brown color. We'll divide this into 3 portions, 1, 2, 3, so it will be easy for us to color here. And then look here. Just like that, slow and steady. So here it is, our colorful chameleon. For more videos, subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. Share with your friends. Thank you. Subscribe the channel for the more videos.